just gonna do a little speed video here of the first step for solving a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. You can see that it's already done here. So what I'm gonna do is mess these up real quick and solve them again and show you how it's done. Alright. Okay, so pretty much one thing you want to know for if you're going to be solving it a lot and you don't want to take forever to mess it up. Basically, if you do 5 turns of the middle like this, turn it like that 5 times like I did, it messes all the centers up to where there's no grouping colors. So that's good to know if you're going to be doing that. Okay, so what you do is, first step is to group 2 of the same color of one of the sides. What you want to do is line them up like this, either on the left side or the right side, doesn't really matter, but they have to be as close as possible like this. And then you do algorithm for this side, it's L prime star, 2U, L star, and that gets those together. Okay, then you look for your other 2 here and here. Just want to line those up like that. Then for the right side, it's R star, 2U, R prime star. That gets those together. Then once you have your 2 sets here, like this, you want to line them up like this, and then do your same algorithm again to get them together. Then what I do is the blue and then the green side. So look for the greens, line those up, get those together, other 2, get those together. Then since blue is always opposite of green, algorithm for the right side, and then algorithm again to get that center. Then you have your 2 opposite centers. I usually, like at this step, you're going to get these aligned like these. These just happen to be aligned already. And I usually put my green on the left. It doesn't really matter, just that they're on the sides here. And then you look at these using the same algorithm. You put them together. Sometimes you get multiple at the same time, just depends. And keep doing that until you have all of your centers aligned with the colors, like this. Once you do that, then you want to get the color coordination right for it to be the correct way, and you can tell by the corner pieces. See, this is green, white, orange, so green, white, orange. You want to get those together. So where you have your green, white, orange, and then you can look at another piece for green, red, white. So red and white. This would be this side. And then you have your green, red, white, green, orange, yellow. And that's pretty much how you get the centers. You only need those 2 algorithms that are just about the same anyway. And yeah, that's the first step.